Hello guys, welcome back. I just came back from Lowe's and we did have a late lunch. It's the weekend and I need to get my roots done. So I thought, why not share with you guys how I do it at home, because right now a lot of us are in the same situation. We can't get our hair done and not even our roots done, and it does cause a lot of problems. Well, especially if you have darker hair like mine, the grays do stick out a lot and it looks really weird. Right now, if I show you close up, you will see so much grays right here at the top, and they seem to always appear right around your hairline. Like, why can't they just come like inside your hair? They have to always come out in the most exposed part of your hair. So I have been doing my root touch-up, my grays, even before this pandemic. I've been doing it for years, because if you live in California, you know how expensive it is to get your hair done. I do get balayage, which is even more expensive than regular full highlight. So I really can't afford to go every 2 to 3 weeks. Exactly. That's how fast my grays or my hair grows out. I literally get grays every 3 weeks and it becomes really expensive. So I do it at home. Now, there's a common mistake that people do, which I will share, and I will share with you guys how you can get professional grade results doing your grays touch-up or your root touch-up. You can do that for any color you like. Since my hair is dark, I do it black, but if you're a blonde, you can also follow the same steps and that will work fine too. Wait, I needed to tell you, I'm not going to use any boxed hair colors. If you're using those boxed hair colors, stop. Do not use them again. Now, this is coming straight from a professional hairstylist, my hairstylist, who is, by the way, amazing. I will link her details, her Instagram account below. If you guys live close by to Silicon Valley, Bay Area, go check her out. She's amazing. But this is coming straight from her. If you use boxed hair color, which are like the pre-packaged one that you get in Rite Aid, Walgreens, any store, don't use them. They're really bad for your hair. They do the job for sure, but they actually don't evenly color your hair. So when she lightened my hair, she realized that the lightening was not coming out as she would expect because of these boxed colors, and it actually looked really bad. I literally saw that myself. It was like dark parts and lightened parts. It looked really bad. So if you are using boxed color, stop. I'm going to share with you guys what products I'm using. You can very easily find similar ones or the same ones. I will try to link all of them below in the description box. Go check that out. Most of them are available in Amazon and you will literally thank me. So let's get started now. The first and foremost is you would need a hair color. I am using this L'Oreal Technique Excellence Cream Gray Coverage in the color Natural Black Darkest Brown, which is number 3, and I have been using for more than a year now, and guys, I really vouch for it. The next one is you will need a developer. I usually use a 20 volume because I find that it's not as harsh and it actually works fine. But if you have thicker hair, I recommend going 1 up, which is developer. But if you are using a particular brand's professional grade color, use the same brand's developer just for the best and optimum result. Of course, you would need gloves always. I didn't think that they would give me pink gloves, but hey, that's a bonus. You need a mixing bowl. This you can find in any beauty supply store, just like the other products that I showed you. Also need a brush. I use a paddle brush, and this one is a really inexpensive one, and this actually works for all areas on your hair. I recommend a mini kitchen scale. That really helps measuring all of the products that you would be mixing and takes the worry out of the entire game. And An old comb will actually come in handy because you don't want to make your regular comb dirty, or if you use a brush, use a comb instead. If you guys are new here, please don't forget to click that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss a video from me again. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to click that like button to support your gal. So shall we start the process? I'm kind of ready. I really wanted to do this for weeks now. I haven't gotten time, so finally have time. So let's get cracking. Okay, so let's start. So what I'm gonna do is turn this on and measure the weight of this. It's 2.5 ounce. Let's open it. It's easy. You all know how this thing works. Just squeeze it. And what I'm gonna do is only pour around half because I don't really need a lot, but we will remember to keep an eye on how much we're using. As per the recommendation, you should use 1 to 1.5 ratio. So if we do here, if we look at the measurements, so now we are going to use 1.35, which is 1.5 times of the product. That is the math we have to do. I will put it in the description box for you guys. But it might actually vary from brands to brand. So take a look at what your brand is actually, listed in their instruction manual. So shake this bottle. It's a good rule of thumb. And pour in. Now we need to pour and make the weight go to 4.75. Now let's mix this. Okay guys, I'm in my kind of old clothes that are not going to get dirty. I am been doing this for a while, so I'm kind of used to it and I'm making fewer mistakes. But I actually have a blog post where I have linked all of these products, which I will link below, and I actually have added an apron that you can surround yourself if you are new to this, or if you have a smaller space or a smaller bathroom and you don't want things to get dirty, or you don't want your clothes to get dirty, you can wear the apron and you can do your hair color. Now I don't know if you guys can see this, but I do have grays all over around here if you look at it, and a lot in here, around here. So I have quite a lot of gray. So I'm kind of ready for this. My mix is ready. So what I'm going to do now is partition my hair in the middle. If you come around in the middle, which makes it easier and faster. Now I don't have grays in the back, but if you have grays in the back, ask for help, ask for a family member to do it. That way you are not, if you have colored hair around your ends, you don't mess it up. But if you have, I mostly have it around here, so it's kind of manageable. But if sometimes I feel like I need somebody to look at it, I do ask Rachel to do that. So I do recommend doing that. Now what you do is you would take a little bit like this and try not to take too much, and you are going to be, the point is not to draw a straight line, because then it's going to have harsh lines eventually and you don't want that. So what you want to do is pack it here and kind of blend it in. Same for this side. If you look at it, you need to kind of do that and try to cover all the areas that you are seeing have color. And I know the first time is a little kind of scary because you are like, I'm gonna be messing it up. But trust me, as you keep doing this, it gets better. I do recommend having a towel, a paper towel in handy just in case you mess it up and put it on your skin, because it does get a little bit color on your skin. Now the comb is useful because then you can evenly partition your hair like this and keep adding more color as you partition. Now, as you can see, I'm coming closer to my sides, or you can say sideburns. We don't have sideburns. Men in general don't have that, but if you do have, that's where it gets tricky, because usually you would need a little bit more color, otherwise it won't stick. Now my blacks, my grays are a little bit stubborn, and if you have thicker hair, it's probably even more stubborn. So I recommend applying more around here, because this is the area that probably, you know, grays out the fastest, because you wash this area the most. And at least that's what happens to me. I don't know about you guys. Let me know in the comments below. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add more, and after I'm completely done, I'll just wipe out these extras using either, you know, makeup remover wipes or just with water. Try to avoid water, because it does get kind of, it does what do you say, it does mess up and remove all the color that you just added. I did realize that I have a lot of color on my face, so let me wipe that. There you go. So yeah, so let's get started. Do I look funny? So one half of my head is done. Now I'm gonna pass on to my next half. Okay guys, I am done. I'm going to leave this for around 25 to 30 minutes. But if you have stubborn or thicker hair, which are like, you know, they resist the gray coverage, then try keeping it for 35 minutes. But that should be fine, because this is professional grade hair color, so it's gonna work. Okay, so my hair is washed, and I just blow dried and did a little bit of brushing with my thermal brush. Looks good, and let me show you guys the result. Yeah, there you go. Nothing. It's all cool. It looks pretty good. My biggest concern are these side areas. If you can see, it's completely black. All black, everything is good to go. There you go, that's the result. And till my hair grows out, this is going to stay. Now a quick tip for those of you who have lighter ends and you are worried that you're going to make them dark. I am right now not at all concerned, but if you guys are, what you can do is apply on the ends, apply hair mask. So what that is going to do is going to protect you from, you know, getting the color bleed onto your lighter blonder color and make it darker, so that way it is protected. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, please don't forget to give it a like, and please click that subscribe button if you haven't already, and join the family. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.